Hey everyone, it's Kelly here with She Learns Video, and today we are going to be talking about how to craft impactful client questionnaires. Now, I love to utilize client questionnaires whenever I am shooting a film or a photography session in order for me to help know a bit more about the clients, their story, where they come from, and everything that I'm going to utilize in order to connect and communicate with them during the session. So let's jump in. The first tip for creating impactful questionnaires is to ask specific questions. So for example, instead of just saying, tell me how old your children are and tell me their names, you can also ask what makes them happy. What kind of activities do they enjoy? Try to dig a little bit deeper and ask those specific questions so that you can establish a sense of trust early on in the session. If you're doing a business or brand film, instead of asking, tell me when your business was started or what year did you originally go into business, ask them for their origin story. Why did you decide to go into business? What is it about your business that you love? How do you serve your clients in a unique and special way? Asking these questions is going to help you dig a little bit deeper and to help you develop that story early on before you even pull out your camera. Tip number 2, learn about their specific interests. So maybe this is, where's your favorite place you've ever traveled? Where do you guys like to go as a family? What type of music do you like to listen to? What kind of activities do you enjoy doing together? What kind of activities do you guys enjoy doing on your own? Or as a business owner, tell me about your brand. Tell me why you decided upon these brand colors or this brand mission. Learning about their specific interests and passions will really help your questionnaires to provide you with a sense of story and give you more of a connection point when you're just getting started with their session. Okay, tip number 3, send your questionnaire early. As soon as your client books you, make sure you're sending out that questionnaire and asking them to complete it at their convenience and give you as much detail as possible. In the beginning, they'll have more time to invest into filling out your questionnaire, and they're going to be really excited about their session because they've just booked it. They'll love having the opportunity to tell you more about why they want to work with you and what they're looking to get out of their photos or video. Lastly, follow up if you have questions. I know you're sending a questionnaire, so you're already asking a lot of questions, but once you read those responses, if additional questions come to mind and you want to dig a little bit deeper, don't hesitate to follow up. The more information you get about your clients and the more you get to know and connect with them, the easier it's going to make your session on the day of the shoot, and the more you're going to feel like you already connect with these people and they will trust you and they're going to be even more excited to work with you. All right, so I hope that information was helpful. I know crafting client questionnaires can sometimes be overwhelming. Inside my video Jumpstart class, I do provide multiple client questionnaires that I utilize in my business. If this is something you want to learn more about and you're excited to add video to your photography business, definitely go check us out at shelearnsvideo.com. Get on our email list, read the blog, watch the videos, lots of information out there, and I'm so excited to share. Thanks so much, and if you like this information, definitely be sure to like, share, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks.